Okay, let me just. Can I sit? Look at you. You good? Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay. Wait, let's start again. I wasn't ready. Oops. I'm good. You're good. Nothing broke. Okay.
Don't make cupcakes. You're making cupcakes. So. Okay. Have you made cupcakes?
Have I made cupcakes?
Yeah.
You're talking to the one person that cooks in this entire dorm room.
Okay, well there's that.
Oh, no. Take this. We need that box. Okay.
What do we need? I'm following your instructions, so.
We need 2 eggs, butter, and milk. You don't know what anything is. Denki?
Oh, they're right there. Okay, so. I heard they're empty.
Why would the eggs be on the bench, Denki?
I should remember everything. Oh no! Maybe we should do a Q&A because we don't have eggs. Mom!
This is a mess. This is all going to Blizzard's, by the way.
We don't have eggs!
Why don't you have any eggs?
I don't know.
I mean, probably.
Do we have any eggs? I'm not aware of.
We don't have eggs.
Do we have any eggs? Oh no. We can't make our cupcake.
We have no eggs.
Okay, let's just go do a Q&A like, I don't know.
Okay, we can do a Q&A, that's fine.
But somebody had like a whole plan. We
That-
can't even do cupcakes.
We can decorate the background now, though.
Yeah.
In
Like fortune cake or something. We're not doing fortune cake.
Huh?
I thought we had eggs, but apparently not. Oh, we don't need butter or
This is all going in bloopers.
what was that?
Oh, it still has a tag on it.
Oh yeah. Should have. Oh well. I kind of thought these empty cartons were eggs, so kind of fucked up there. Stuffed up. Is there anything I can make that has no eggs?
Do we want to make something or just want to do a Q&A?
I don't know, man.
Because I could ask people for questions.
Dessert with no eggs. If we do a Q&A, it'll be quicker.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do Q&A.
Alrighty.
Well, that was
This
fun while it
was-
lasted.
That was like a good 4 minutes.
Please stuff up their YouTube video by not having eggs.
I don't think we could hear us though because of the movie in the background too. So
My bedroom's better. It's a win-win.
let's go.